Good afternoon, good afternoon. Hope everyone enjoys their day. As you can see, this is palm tree. Right now, I was walk in a park. Someone, all the fans or friends, notice the park. You can see how old this palm tree. You can see. I saw a particular where let us walk nearby and I connect the you can see a sky here up behind the moon. You can see moonlight. This moon you can look at anytime. I hope everyone enjoys it. There's a lot of activity here and the plant. You can see this restaurant here, our light open. This is all the Indian restaurant. His name Curry restaurant, Indian curry. Like that, and here I see that. You can see lots of people on the walk. That's sometimes I walk here every day, but when after COVID I get the corona, I can't walk, but all enjoy safety and remember that the parrot in the morning, they are now, there's like, now, it's stop rain, and you can see a very few overnight in the skies. I hope everyone enjoy safety and healthy. You remember this one and very past this like World Cup. You remember this number? This Hafid Mountain. Inshallah, next time. I said inshallah because I am a Muslim. Maybe next time, inshallah.